Hope everything is fine with Koffee. I went to her official Instagram page and found out that she deleted all her posts. The only thing she had on there was a post in her story that was reposted from a page called Lone Star Music. And this thing on her story says, be more concerned with your character than your reputation, because your character is what you really are, while your reputation is merely what others think you are. The true test of a man's character is what he does when no one is watching. Right? So I decided that I want to check out Lone Star Music. I went to their page, I found out their producers, and they produced like a song for Eminem, the Kamikaze song. I don't know if y'all gonna be familiar with that. But anyway, I click onto their website, find out they only sell beats and lease beats. So there's no connection. It looked like she just picked a post off their page to share. It has nothing to do with them. So I was just curious about that still. However, you know, I've seen other artists do this before, like Spice. I see Spice delete all her posts before, but that was when she was, let's say, rebranding, when she did the whole stunt with the skin bleaching thing, and she delete everything, and she said she just never want them post there. So maybe something like that Koffee I do. Hopefully something like that Koffee I do, right? And I know nothing, but it's kind of in a normal state. I think Aishana did it once too. I think she deleted all her posts. People have them reasons why, but it's not a thing that people do often. However, I never see Koffee do it before, and I want to say I don't think Koffee is that active on social media, on Instagram, like everybody else. Like, she will post, but she only posts like when she got shows, and she will do little stories and thing, you know, from what me see. But if we should delete all our posts one time, I don't know. No, we can't go without talk about what happened in a few days. Now, a few days ago, I came across this video. I make a video. It's all over YouTube and everywhere else right now too. So I'm not the only person that saw this video or make a video about this video, right? This is of a lady talking about Koffee and said that she gets something from God, a message from God to give to Koffee, and she prophesies. Now, that message was kind of frightening and troubling for anybody, for even me hearing it and the things that she's saying, right? A lot of people were in the comments and they saying that, oh, you have to take the word of the prophet or whatever, right? I'm not gonna have that discussion right now, right here, right? What I'm gonna say, I hope that has no kind of influence on what is going on right now with Koffee Instagram. I hope it's not because of that video or that thing. I hope she didn't see it and, you know, she down or whatever. Hopefully it's not that. You see what I say? I would pray say it's not that, because, like me say, that was frightening in itself. It was frightening for everybody that's watching it and seeing it. So let's hope that Koffee get up back and running, you know what I mean, and get back to the work and do it. If she need a little break though, she take a little break and catch herself or whatever. But Koffee just don't say, oh, out here with whole heap of love. Me, I send a whole heap of love from my heart. It's me, I say, love Koffee music. So big up Koffee. When you get into the inbox, tell me what you feel about this. Tell me what you think. Maybe I know nothing. Maybe, you know, maybe she just want to do that. Hopefully I does that. So get in the comment box, tell me what you feel. And if you have a like and follow the page, like and follow the page. Thank you.